Alright guys, quick video on charging your Dji Mavic Pro batteries. I've got here my instruction manual on the Mavic Pro batteries. Obviously I use the intelligent batteries. Let's see. I wanted to kind of show you guys a quick, if you guys don't have the manual, you guys can quickly see battery uses of what not to basically do. You guys can pause that and read that if you needed to. But then you got the battery charging, battery storage, battery disposal and maintenance. Obviously nothing terribly important. Just kind of wanted to show you guys the last thing. Obviously the intelligent flight battery is designed to stop charging when it is full, but it's, they say it's good practice to watch it as it's full and kind of pull it when it is done. These are, I'm assuming, like LiPo batteries, so these aren't ones that you just want. These are pretty intense batteries. I know I've seen some things where these things can blow up and stuff, so you do want proper and safe storage to be happening and not to overcharge them and all that. So anyway, just kind of looking over the thing. There's not anything too much important, but I got this package with the Fly More combo, but this sticker was on the original battery when it came on the drone. So obviously to turn on, you press once. To turn it off, then press it again and hold for 2 seconds. Obviously, and then always move. They make sure that you don't, they always want you to make sure you move the gimbal cover before getting going. So anyway, I thought this was pretty cool. Everything that they gave you is really nice. Obviously the cords are a little bulky and going everywhere, but so it has like it has this base. I can do 4 at a time through a wall outlet. Just kind of slide that in here. It's got a nice little, you can go this way. That way you can lay flat. Go ahead and then we'll go ahead and plug it in over here. And then we'll go ahead and just quickly show you guys this cool little setup. I thought this was really neat because obviously, there's nothing worse than having to charge one battery at a time or anything. So I thought this was a pretty cool little hub that came with 2 batteries. 1 was on the drone, 2 were in the box. So obviously that's the Fly More combo, is the 2 extra batteries. They typically run for 90 bucks. So the Fly More combo was running, it's usually a little, maybe about 200 bucks on average extra. So the 2 batteries almost cover for it alone. That you get, I think their carrying case, which was like another 70. But anyway, I'll show you guys real quick the two extra pieces that came with it. This piece did come as well. They call this piece the Mavic battery to power bank adapter. I'm not quite sure this one yet, but and then it comes with the car charger one as well. So obviously the same connector here that would go underneath this part, and I can still use the multiple hub and charge in the car, it looks like. So anyway, that's really nice. It's pretty cool. This one, I'm still not quite, I guess this is for charging an individual one, because obviously you can see the 2 USBs in the back. I'm sure you might even be able to charge. So I'm guessing, actually thinking off the top of my head, you might be able to have a battery if you absolutely needed to charge your remote. You could probably plug the USB and the battery would actually probably charge the remote too. So, because the remote one obviously is a little bit, obviously you got something else to charge too. So anyway, yeah, I figured I'd just kind of show you guys the quick manual in case you don't have it, trashed it, got rid of it. It's only a couple pages really. Obviously this is just for the intelligent flight battery, and the rest is all a different language. But like I said, if you guys need any of that, go ahead and pause it, read up on anything you might need. Nothing terribly important in that one. It's usually this page right here, obviously just the charging, and obviously make sure it's turned off at all times. The one thing I did see out here, let's see, anyway, the travel notice. So obviously I'm assuming we can travel with these batteries to some extent. I'm not sure. I know that you're not supposed to mail LiPo stuff. I know you're not supposed to go on planes with stuff. So, but I don't know if they were properly discharged and depleted. I don't know if that will count. Call, ask. I'm not sure. I'll actually look into it too, because when you fly around, it'd be cool to take these on vacations and cool places. You don't usually get to see the perspective anyway. But anyway, that's a quick charging way. There's nothing else to really waste your time with. So appreciate you guys watching this video. Watch my other videos on anything how to do the DJI, anything you guys might need to know. Feel free to comment down below. But comment, like, subscribe to my channel. I could really use you guys. I do a video a day for a year showing you guys the YouTube process. I'm gonna have a lot of drone videos out there, how-tos, reviews, unboxings, all kinds of stuff, just to get enough content out there to show you guys, can we make money with YouTube, and is it really easy these days? It's not so easy, I'm finding out, but it's really just having a lot of the watch time, so that's why we pump a video a day. Hope you guys like this video. Catch you around in the next one. See you guys.